Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a Dimple lock. Here's the key for it. You can see that bitting too well there, but anyway, it does work just fine. Let's go ahead and see if we can't pick this sumbitch open now. I'm using a this kind of flag. Anyway, let's see if we can do this. A little one off of one there. 2, 3, 4. And there we go. We got her. Sweet. Now, unfortunately, I can't gut this thing because I don't have proper shit to do it with. But that's okay. We'll get it figured out. So, thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.